My name is Adam Novak, and now we'll have a quick look at the graphics module in Python. The one we'll be looking at is a free open source one created by John Zell. It simply produces a window so you can manipulate objects inside of it or text. To implement it, simply download the module from this website here and place it in the current folder you're running your current .py file from, and place it in the folder containing your current .py file that you are running. At the top of your code, you simply need to import the graphics module. Using the graphics module will look like this. You simply need to assign a variable to a window first so you can make use of it later in your code. So to create the window, we have a variable. In this case, we've called it win. Then we're using the graphics module called graphics because this is the module we have imported, and graph win to create the window. This module takes three parameters: a string to be the window name, the x size, so the size of the window along its x, and the y size, so the height of the window. So we have its width being its x size and its height being y size. Here's an example of the graphics window. So as we see at the top left here of the window, I've called it me for some silly reason, we have 0 and 0. And down here we have 500. So as we go down, we are increasing on the y axis. So we start off at 0 at the top and we go down to 500. And as we go right, we're increasing on the x. So we have 500, 500 down the bottom right here. 500, 0, so 500 being x, 0 being y, because we have not increased on the y, and 0, 500 down the bottom left here. Let's have a quick look at importing the graphics module and creating a window. So we can import graphics. To import the module, create a variable equal to window. So win equals graphics dot graph win. And inside of here we need to take two parameters and we'll go call window. And we'll make it 500 by 500. We save as, so we can save it inside a folder. We can see we've got a graphics module here. So we'll make sure we save it inside of one with the graphics module. So let's call this graph window, save it. Now F5 to save and run. And as you can see, we've got a cool window. 0, 0 being top left here. Going across, we're going across the x-axis to 500, because we have a maximum of 500, and going down, we have a maximum of 500 on the y. So I put this as 100 on the x. You can see we have a long linear one. Here is a website I often use for references to the graphics module, so I can teach you how to do it. It was created by, more information, how to print off ovals, rectangles, lines, etc. And I'll cover this more shortly, and I'll cover all of these in other episodes.